Mullah Asghar Ali Jaafar, known as Mullah Asghar, was one of the prominent personalities of Khoja Shia Ithna Ashari and one of the founders of the World Federation of Khoja Shia Ithna Ashari communities. Mullah Asghar was born in 1936 in Mombasa, Kenya, in a religious and scholarly family. His father, Mullah Muhammad Jaafar, was one of the speakers and preachers of Shia in Kenya. He went to India to continue his studies in ophthalmology, but due to his great interest in Islamic sciences and the propagation of the Ahlal-Bayt school, he abandoned his studies and returned to Kenya and studied Islamic sciences. He immigrated to England in the late 1960s and settled in London. He was one of those who were interested in the Islamic Revolution of Iran and traveled to Iran many times and met with Imam Khomeini and Ayatollah Khamenei. In 1982, on a trip to Iraq, he met Ayatollah Sayyid Abdul Qasim Khoei and was arrested by the Ba'ath regime and imprisoned for several months. He represented some Ayatollahs such as Ayatollah Sayyid Mohsen Hakim, Ayatollah Sayyid Abdul Qasim Khoei, and Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Sistani. In 1990, Mullah Asghar Ali Jaafar became a member of the Supreme Council of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt by the decree of Ayatollah Khamenei and was actively present in the meetings of this assembly. He was also a member of the World Islamic Forum, which was established in London by the order of Ayatollah Sayyid Muhammad Reza Golpaygani and with the aim of dealing with the religious problems of Muslims, especially Shias living in London. He played an important role in strengthening the social and religious structure of Khoja Shia Ithna Ashari community all over the world, and he also collaborated in drafting the constitution of this federation and was its president from 1974 to 1980. Some of Mullah Asghar's actions during the presidency of the World Federation are settlement of evicted Khojas from Uganda in East Africa and Europe, establishment of centers in Paris, Switzerland, and Sweden, covering the regional federations of Khoja Shia Ithna Ashari, the World Federation's membership in the Muslim Council of Britain. Mullah Asghar had a close relationship with other non-Shia Islamic groups, so that he played a prominent role in strengthening Islamic unity among the Muslims of England. He was also a London Friday prayer imam and a prominent orator whose lectures in English and Gujarati languages were held every week at the place of Hajjat Hosseini in London. In addition to English and Gujarati, he was also fluent in Urdu, Persian, Arabic, and Swahili languages. The establishment of Al-Dahi Seminary and Sayyid Al-Khoei Seminary in Birmingham were among his other services. In addition to his cultural and preaching activities and responsibilities, Mullah Asghar was also engaged in researching and writing books such as Fasting, Congregational Prayer, Jurist and Jurisprudence, and translating and Tarjumatul Amal of Sheikh Mufid. This member of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, died in 2000 due to a heart attack in London. After a magnificent burial, his body was buried in the Shia cemetery of Khoja Ithna Ashari of this city.